Welcome back. A fresh political controversy has erupted in Nigeria following a bold claim by businessman and political commentator Isaac Fayose, the younger brother of former Ekiti State Governor Ayodele Fayose. In a video posted on his Facebook page, Isaac suggested that President Bola Tinubu only remembered his elder brother after Peter Obi recently paid him a visit.
And he's doing well in private business because he has been a billionaire from when I was a baby. So they now give him my brother DG because Obi came to visit me. My brother, this appointment is a Greek gift. They are giving you this one to come and counter us. Because why didn't they give you appointment since? Why did they wait till Obi come? Obi come visit me. They can say, oh yeah, maybe we take his brother. My brother, I know you will not take this. But if you take it, who am I? Who am I? But at the same time, think. Even Remokre, ordinary Remokre, I was never a governor, ambassador. So why just chairman of a parastatal?
The allegation has quickly gone viral, fueling heated debate about political appointments, loyalty, and the calculations that often shape Nigeria's political landscape. The bigger question is this: was the appointment simply another routine government decision, or does the timing suggest a deeper political strategy? Politics is often driven by perception as much as reality, and in Nigeria, timing can be everything. When a high-profile appointment follows closely behind a politically significant event, it is almost inevitable that questions will be asked. Isaac Fayose believes the sequence of events is too striking to dismiss, and many Nigerians are now asking the same questions. President Bola Tinubu recently appointed Ayodele Fayose as chairman of the Rural Electrification Agency, REA. The announcement surprised many observers because the former governor had not held a federal appointment since leaving office despite remaining one of the country's best-known political figures. For some, the appointment appeared to be part of the president's continuing effort to strengthen his administration with experienced politicians. For others, the timing raised eyebrows. Isaac Fayose wasted no time expressing his thoughts. In the widely circulated video, he openly questioned why his brother had gone without any appointment for so long only to receive one shortly after Peter Obi visited him. That single statement has become the center of a growing political conversation. While some dismiss it as speculation, others argue that political appointments are rarely made in isolation. They believe major decisions often reflect ongoing political negotiations, alliance building, and image management, especially as political actors continue to reposition themselves ahead of future contests. Isaac Fayose went further by comparing his brother's appointments with those given to other political figures. He questioned why some individuals who had never governed a state had received ambassadorial or other high-profile appointments, while his brother had remained without any federal role until now.
They no see give am minister, they no give am ambassador. Even Remokre self, they gave him ambassador. They couldn't give my brother ambassador. They gave my brother DG. Because Obi came on Saturday to visit me. So they said, no, we must enter that family.
According to him, if the government truly intended to reward Ayodele Fayose, it could have done so much earlier. He also revealed that his brother had previously told him that after leaving government house, he had no desire to become a senator, minister, or head of a government agency.
Brother told me, Ayodele Peter Fayose told me, Isaac, when I'm leaving this government house, whenever I leave this government house, I will not be a minister, I will not be DG, I will not be senator, I will not be anything. I will face my business. And he's doing well in private business because he has been a billionaire from when I was a baby.
Because of that, Isaac said he would not be surprised if Ayodele Fayose eventually declined the appointments. At the same time, He acknowledged that accepting or rejecting the position will remain his brother's personal decision. The comments immediately generated strong reactions across social media. Supporters of the government argued that appointments are made after consultations and should not be automatically be linked to unrelated political events. Critics, however, insisted that Nigerians have every right to question the timing of important appointments, particularly when they occur shortly after politically sensitive meetings or developments. This debate reflects a much broader issue within Nigerian politics. Every administration, regardless of political party, has faced accusation that appointments are influenced by political loyalty, regional considerations, or strategic interest. Whether those accusations are always accurate is another matter, but they continue to shape public perception of government decisions. Political observers note that perception often influences public opinion as much as hard evidence. Once people begin connecting events, those narratives can spread rapidly, particularly in the age of social media, where videos and political commentary reach millions within hours. Isaac Fayose's remarks have therefore become more than just a personal opinion. They have evolved into a national conversation about transparency, political patronage, and the motive behind government appointments. It is also worth remembering that Ayodele Fayose has remained a significant figure in Nigerian politics, despite no longer holding elected office. Over the years, he has maintained relationships across political divides and has often attracted national attention with his outspoken comments. His appointment is therefore naturally attracting scrutiny from supporters and opponents alike. Whether Isaac Fayose's interpretation proves correct is something that only those directly involved will know. What cannot be disputed, however, is that his comments have intensified public interest in the appointments and prompted many Nigerians to ask questions about its timing. In politics, perception can sometimes become as influential as facts, especially when official explanations leave room for speculation. As the debate continues, attention will likely shift to Ayodele Fayose himself. Will he accept the appointment despite his broader public comments? Will he address the controversy directly? And will the presidency respond to the growing speculation surrounding the decision? Those questions remain unanswered. One thing is certain: Isaac Fayose has succeeded in placing the appointment at the center of national political discussion. Whether Nigerians see his comments as a genuine insider's observation or simply a personal opinion, they have reignited the long-standing debate about how political appointments are made in Nigeria and whether timing can ever truly be dismissed as mere coincidence. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this report informative, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Isu. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.